Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Maslach Burnout Inventory. What is a Maslach Burnout Inventory? Burnout is the state in which a person becomes extremely exhausted because of overwork and constant stress. Besides feeling fatigued, those who are burnt out become susceptible to physical ailments, including being prone to fevers and other illnesses, having trouble sleeping, and being prone to migraines. Those who are burnt out also tend to become jaded and cynical. They slowly and gradually start thinking negatively about their work and the concept of accomplishment. Burnout isn't limited to work. However, it can also apply to other responsibilities, relationships, and even a person's passions and hobbies. If you feel like you're at risk of being burnt out, or if you already are and want to know the severity of it, you can answer that Maslach Burnout Inventory. This assessment was created to gauge the risk of burnout that a person has, and it does so by focusing on the three components. Exhaustion. This segment focuses on your feelings regarding work or the idea of it. Depersonalization. This focuses on the loss of empathy that a person normally experiences when burnt out. This is for gauging the detachment tendencies of the person, as well as the development of cynicism. It also focuses on behavior like withdrawing from social situations and avoiding them. Personal achievement. This segment focuses on the person's tendency to look at themselves in a negative light. It is about demotivation and self-doubt. Adding up the scores, this results in the following, with 33 or less indicating high-level burnout, 34 to 39 indicating moderate, and greater than 40 indicating low-level burnout. This can be used by anyone who suspects that they are suffering from burnout. How to use the Maslach Burnout Inventory. The first step is to complete the name and date at the top. You'll then need to rate each statement accordingly. Finally, interpret the results by calculating scores and consulting the ranges listed. To view sample assessment of the Maslach Burnout Inventory, head on over to carepatron.com where you can download and access the inventory for free. You can also access the inventory through the Carepatron platform. Simply type in the keywords, select the note, and edit however you would like. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare related videos.